When children are first learning the letters of the alphabet, they learn that S says S, but shortly thereafter, they should be introduced to the fact that S says Z at the end of those little sight words. The is, was, his, ours. After teaching silent E syllables, you probably will want to move into the fact that S says Z between two vowels. This will allow you to go back and review all of the silent E syllables while adding another layer to it of the S between two vowels, as in nose, rise, and hose. When doing trace, copy, cover, they should trace the letter S and say S says Z between two vowels. Also, you should know that in addition to S making the Z sound at the ends of sight words and between two vowels, that it also does the same thing if the S is making a plural or a possessive after a voiced letter. So one game, two games, but one cat, two cats, because the T is voiceless. The same holds true for people's names when doing possessives. It's Dawn's, but it's also Mark's, because Dawn ends with a voiced letter, whereas Mark ends with a voiceless.